first? We gotta go sign paperwork, right? Just got here, and now we gotta sign paperwork, and then it's on the hook.
It's just a legal binding contract saying you'll basically live with it, provide for.
They go to the side, open game. They go behind you, open game. Get it on.
Clear blue sky, basically.
Clear blue sky.
When you're looking at the bird, you want to see blue sky behind you. If it's low enough that when your sight pattern, if you see grass over there, you're probably shooting at another person or a dog. So
yeah.
You want to make sure we're getting through.
One.
And getting them freaking things in my mouth already. It's cattails. Hand. Y'all keep walking, Weston. Come on. Look at all them birds coming out of that. Real tall stuff. Rooster! Damn, look at them all. Hens. Rooster. Yeah, I think so.
Right here, Kate. Good job, son. Good job, son. Good job, son. Yeah, he did. Too far, Kennedy, he said. Ricky said.
Rooster, Dad, rooster, rooster.
Oh, damn it.
He's hurt.
Yes, over here.
He went back in the grass, he's hurt. Or he went back in the trees, I mean, he's hurt. Like 300 yards up there, though. Let's go. Go, Belly.
Come on, Belly.
Come on, Belly.
Belly here.
Go.
Come here, Belly.
Go,
here.
Belly.
Belly here.
Hand.
Riley and Ricky, okay. Right in here. Right in here, Chad, come on.
Right there.
Right here.
Right there.
Got him? Yeah. I walked around them 7 times.
Oh, they're pretty camouflaged, man.
Good? You good?
Yeah.
They're running, Ricky! They're running!
Yeah, I got 5 in front of me.
I got 3 right here in front of me.
We got any dogs out?
No, no.
Okay.
That's great.
Cade, no dogs.
No dogs. Come on. Oh, yeah, they're running.
Oh my God, there's so many.
Holy shit.
Cade, looks like they're coming your way a little bit.
Gotta get them, gotta get the block.
Cade, they're coming your way.
Oh, there's 2 right here.
Cade. I don't know about myself. How fucking 50 running in front of us.
They shot a bunch then.
Come on, Odin. Yeah! Right there in front of me. 2 more. Hey, another one. Was that him?
We're done.
Hey! Whoa!
We're done.
Whoa! Odin, come here. Whoa! Whoa! We're done. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! I think that's it.
Right there. You know what it is.
One guy up right there. We got out of here.
Jane, come here. Hand. Caught! Jane, here.
Bring it to you.
Right here, girl. Right here.
Let it go. That'll do.
Put one straight. Come on. Jane, get in here.
Yeah! I didn't shoot. We gonna reload? Did you pick him up is what I mean.
Right here.
Good shoot, Ron. Got on camera, baby.
No, Ron didn't shoot.
I slowed you down for him. That's why I got him.
Booster! Right there.
Oh, Ricky. Ricky over there.
Right there. Rooster! Rooster!
Okay, big day. Finish up cleaning up.